Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tadora and this is Tadora's Corner. Today we're gonna make homemade vegetable soup. Let's go. For the preparation, we need parsnip, celery, pepper, bag of Brussels sprouts, broccoli, Himalayan salt, and olive oil. Let's get to cooking. Now we're going to prepare all the vegetables. Let's go. And that's it. Now I'm going to put it into the pot. Now I'm going to do the broccoli. And don't forget, get off the leaves off the broccoli. Okay, I'll leave this in the side for next time. Now I'm going to do the Brussels sprouts. Now I will cut the celery. Ooh, I almost forgot. We need to peel off the potato. Now we're going to put the olive oil in the pot. And that's it. Now I'm going to put the Himalayan salt. That's it. Now I'm going to put in the pepper. Now let's pour in the water. That's it. I poured 4 liters of water. Let's cook it. Now, we're going to cook it until the vegetables soften. Now the vegetable is all cooked up. Now let's blend it all up. This is it. Now we're going to pour it into the plate. delicious and healthy. This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. Like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, it's Tenora's Corner. Bye.